Alright guys, welcome to another tutorial, right? And in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to play Need for Speed Rivals online long after the online will be shut down on October 7, 2025, right? Now this is a short and simple tutorial, right? As you read here, another day, another piece of unfortunate Need for Speed news, and this one especially for the online service of Need for Speed Rivals will be shutting down on October 7, 2025, as noted in EA's official online services shutdown website. You can view it right here, scroll down to end. So if you go to here, and just scroll along to end. Right, look for Need for Speed Rivals, right? The game is gonna be shut down October 7, right? So long after the online will be shut down, there's a simple way to play, and that is by using ZLOMU and ZLO Origins, right? So I'm gonna do this tutorial quick and fast, so I'll be back and I'll show you all what to do. Alright guys, first step you need to do is go to zlomu.net, go to here, and you need to register your account, and confirm your email, and then you need to just sign in, right? Sign in, and then you need to download client download. You need to download this. Alright, so just click on it, download it, and then you put the exe, you make a folder and call it Z client. Alright, you put the exe in here, and I will just put this on my desktop. Right, and you need to download ZLOMU, origin. I mean, you need to download this and install. I have ZLO origin download and install it, right? So once you get Z client download now, you just click the exe, and it's supposed to, and then you need to log in with your email, right? So what I'm going to do is log back out, and then go to password manager. Alright, log in with your email and your password. Click auto login and connect, and it will update. And you see you are logged in, and you could just choose Need for Speed Rivals, right? Now once you download Need for Speed Rivals, it will be in 30 FPS. Just add this to your shortcut. And your game should work. All you have to do is add this, and your game should work, right? So let's go to, so once this is thing, you just click run origin, click on run ZL origin, find ZL origin exe, click it, click open. Alright, Zero Origin should open. Alright guys, once it's open, right, now this is simple guys. Just go to my games, and you'll need to look for Need for Speed Rivals, and you just need to download it, right? So let me show you an example. Let me show you how to, all you have to do is click on any game, click on Need for Speed, click on download. Just wait for it to prepare. Then click on continue. Then it will be downloading. As you see here, so this is how you install Need for Speed Rivals, right? I already have it downloaded. And I'm showing you an example of how to install the game in ZL or Origin. So I have the Need for Speed here already downloaded, as you can see. So as you see, it's already downloaded, and all you have to do is go to the client, choose the game, choose the 64-bit exe, and then start the game. Right, so once I back, we'll start the game. Alright guys, once you're back, and I forget to do one thing, right? Let's see, so when you start the game, you'll have 30 FPS. Just copy this, right? Make sure you copy this, so you'll get 60 FPS, right? And then you will just open up the client, select the game, select the 64-bit exe, and then run the game. Alright guys, you're now in the game, and you can go to all drive. As you can see, you can set your all drive, and you could just click apply, click yes. Alright, then you could just So guys, this is how you will play online once the first speed rivals is shut down. As you see, I have the players here. So once the person, your friend, have the same client installed and everything, then you should be able to play online with your friends, right? So guys, this is this tutorial. Seems like I still having 30 fps. I don't know, I set the correct stuff, so I have to find a way to fix this. So guys, I'll be back. Okay guys, after searching for a way to start the game in 60 fps, I realized that you do not need to launch the game from here. You do not need to run the game from here because you already activated Origin and the file is already copied to the game, right? So all you just need to do is just launch the 64-bit exe without launching it from here. So if you launch it from here, see, you're signed in. You can still go to all drive, select your thing, apply, okay, then go back to your map and drive, and there you go. The game is in 60 fps, and you could go to here and you can still see player show. That means it's working online. So long after EA has shut down the official servers, you could still play this amazing game online with ZLOMU. And you see the game is working perfect in 60 fps. You just have to launch it through the game exe and not ZLO Z client, because if you launch it through Z client, it wouldn't work. So guys, just lock the volume. Okay guys, that is it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, that is it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Alright, and I will see you all in the next video to come. You understand? So I just decided to do this video because seeing that these servers will be shut down and you all still want to play online with friends, I decided I will do this tutorial for you guys, right? So hope that you all enjoy, and I will see you in the next one to come. Take care and bye.